Moringa Benefits. 10 amazing benefits of Moringa Oleifera for your health. You should all have heard about the superfood named Moringa. More specifically, Moringa is a plant that is very popular nowadays due to its curative capabilities. Some of them are the help with inflammation, the psychological boost, and other very useful properties. Moringa oleifera, which has a native origin from India and Nepal, is called the miracle tree, or the tree of life, due to the health benefits that it offers. So let's jump into them. 1. It's nutrient-packed. The most important benefit that Moringa can offer are the nutritious packs. It's very rare nowadays to find a source of food with many nutrients. Moringa oleifera contains vitamin C, vitamin B6, vitamin A, vitamin E, and Moringa also contains riboflavin, magnesium, iron, and calcium. We must also mention that it contains more vitamin C than oranges, a fact that is just amazing. It also contains a variety of useful proteins. 2. It's a liver protector. Moringa does a great job protecting the liver, which is the organ that detoxifies our whole body. But how exactly does it protect it? Well, Moringa oleifera releases high concentrations of polyphenols that reduce the damage on the liver and also reverse the oxidation on it. A lot of researches has proved this fact, with real-time results on patients. 3. It stands as an inflammation resistant. A huge benefit that Moringa oleifera can offer is that it fights inflammation, a condition that can lead to other diseases that can't be cured. Moringa, by suppressing inflammatory enzymes and proteins in the body, achieve to reduce inflammation and cell damage. It's also pretty effective, as users have stated. 4. Great sources of protein. Suitable for vegetarians or people who don't eat meat. Vegetarians or people who don't eat meat, in general, have a difficult way to find other foods with plant-based protein. So, for people that need something to add in their meals and include protein, Moringa is the appropriate thing. It's specifically packed with 3 grams (0.10 ounces) of protein per tablespoon that contain all the essential amino acids capable of boosting muscle repair, energy, and mood. 5. Moringa oleifera can fight free radicals. Free radicals can create a lot of problems in our health. More specifically, they damage us by stealing an electron out of our body cells. As a result, oxidative stress, cell damage, and premature aging is caused. Free radicals can be created by a lot of things like inappropriate nutrition and environmental circumstances. What Moringa does against free radicals is amazing. With the antioxidants that it contains, flavonoids, polyphenols, and ascorbic acid, it reduces the damage that free radicals cause, and they also help to boost our organism even more. These results are based on studies about antioxidants and free radicals. 6. A good option against diabetes symptoms. Moringa oleifera can help our organism against diabetes symptoms like reducing lipid and glucose levels. It can also regulate oxidative stress. As a result, it lowers the whole blood sugar in our body. The cholesterol is also reduced, and as we stated earlier, it also boosts cell repair. 7. A brain health supporter. Moringa is also a good supporter of brain health. It's known that it helps Alzheimer patients by its neuroenhancer activities with the combining of antioxidants. With the vitamins that it contains, Moringa can improve brain function and restore the balance in the whole nervous system. 8. Protects the cardiovascular system. We earlier mentioned that Moringa oleifera reduces the cholesterol levels, but with exception of that, Moringa also benefits our heart. particularly in blood lipid control and in preventing plaque formation in arteries too. 9. Boost the time that is needed to heal wounds. With its antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, moringa can boost by a lot the time that our body needs to heal our wounds. It does that by reducing the clotting time, more specifically the time for wounds to stop bleeding or reinstate. 10. Moringa helps in balancing hormones. Studies have shown that moringa can help women and men that suffer from unstable hormones and make them feel uncomfortable or stressed. It also helps the health of the thyroid, which means more energy, sleep, and digestion. Moringa Oleifera can offer you a lot of real-time health benefits. It can improve and protect the most important systems in your organism and can boost other functions of your body too. So we can say with sureness that moringa is the perfect choice for every person that needs a health boost.